Hey guys, welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see likes on Instagram posts. So now open your Instagram app. Now go to search. Now select any of these posts. Here you can see the number of likes on the post. If your like doesn't show up, hold your Instagram for some seconds and Apple will come. Then go to storage. Then you need to only clear your cache. Only you need to clear cache, not clear storage. Go to Instagram again. Now go to any post. Now here you can see your likes. If the likes doesn't show after doing that, what you need to do is shake your phone and this will come. So tap here. Now you need to follow what I do. Now tap here again, agree and continue. Now write what I'm typing here. Now send the message to Insta. It will report a problem to them and they will fix. So that's how you can see your Instagram post likes. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hope you enjoyed this video.